What's your opinion of contacting a cell phone, calling on a cell phone number when you found it on Zoom or somewhere on one of those searches? Do you do that?
1000%. Oh yeah, absolutely. There's nothing wrong with that.
Okay.
It's not like you're sneaking into their house with a flashlight in your teeth, going to your phone and writing down their phone number. It's on Zoom. Now here's the where I think you're going with this. People are like, well, what if I do if they say, how'd you get my number? Right? On Zoom, right? Or on LinkedIn. It's not on LinkedIn. I use a plugin called Lucia. Just be honest with them, right? Your end all, blah, blah, blah out. If they're like, well, I don't like you calling, put a label on it. Sounds like, seems like, feels like. Seems like I shouldn't have called you on this number. Yeah, no, well, I mean, what did you want to talk about? It's very, very unlikely that they're going to be that much of a jerk, right? And if they are, then what number should I call you in the future, right? But there's something going on that I wanted to make sure you were aware of. How about I shoot you over a link to the kinds of things we're doing, and then you can call me on my cell whenever you want. We get too much anxiety around these damn cell phone numbers. It's out there. You didn't break into their house and steal it.
Okay. All right, thank you. I'm good.
This is one of those, and I realize I answered it, but I just want to make sure I'm clear on this one. This is one of those when we were kids, right? You all had either in your family or you had that friend's family where there was 3 of them, typically boys, multiple boys, and crap's broken, and mom comes home. What does everybody do? I didn't do it. I didn't do it. And now she's got to play detective, right? This is us going, I didn't do it, and being anxious. Nothing is broken here. Nobody's getting in trouble. Just call the number, right? And if they ask you, how'd you get the number? It's a question. It's not an objection. It's not an argument. They're just asking you how you got the on LinkedIn, right? Just like that on LinkedIn. Not, well, I do LinkedIn and da-da-da-da. On LinkedIn. Is my number on LinkedIn? I'm not sure. Well, then if it's not on LinkedIn, we use a plugin called Lucia, or we use Zoom Info, right? Let Zoom Info, we'll take it up with Zoom Info, right? It's simple. Everybody's number's out there. So don't get too much anxiety on that. If you like this video, I got you. I'm going to hook you up. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm going to pay for everything. You're going to close a lot more business. You're going to make a lot more money. You're going to have a lot more fun. And you're going to be like, Matt Easton changed my life. And I'm going to be like, yes, I did. Did we just become best friends? And you're going to say, yes, we did. And then you and I are going to be best friends, and it'll be great. So click the link in my bio so we can be friends and you can close more business, and I'll cover all the cost. See you there.